Welcome back to Daytime Live. Right now we're joined by the Gangali himself, Mr. Louis Culture, and the amazing Ezran, who are here to perform their new track for us. Welcome,
bless.
Kings.
Give thanks. bless, man. It's a pleasure to be here, you know.
Respect, man. So, Ezran, how this collaboration came about now?
Well, I'm working on an album, saying the latest album I just released. And,
nice.
We I did a track, and the idea came to me about Warriors Heaven. You know, experience some friends that I lost.
See.
You know what I mean? And they were warriors in a sense. They protect us and everything. And we figured that working with a producer named Triple L from Georgetown, we figured that we needed somebody on it that the world respects, you know?
Excellent.
And I especially respect.
True words.
So the first person came to my mind was the General.
Yeah, the Gangali himself. Well, so, Louis, I could jump and talk to you a little bit. What you been up to, apart from this new project?
Well, I have an album I just finished right now.
Nice.
Doing some mixing, you know?
Proper.
You don't know a long time.
Yeah.
So I come out to the people and give them the full 100. Enough people are waiting.
Yeah, man, Mr.
So you're working on that now, that album?
No, the album is finished. We're just mixing now.
Okay, excellent. All right, so you know what that
yeah,
means.
Man,
I'm like, also...
Mr. Voice.
All right, and same question to you, sir. What about you? What
I'm really touring the album now. You know, it came out last year.
Nice.
Called The Life I Live Continues, Soulful Salvation. This is like the second single of it. Taxi Driver was the first.
Taxi Driver.
Tell us the name of the album again.
The Life I Live Continues, and in bracket, Soulful Salvation.
Right. Okay. And what's the name of the single that you're about to perform?
Warriors Heaven.
Warriors Heaven.
Yeah.
I'm liking it. All right.
You want to hear that?
You want to hear? He's been talking about this all day. He's been like, I can't wait to hear the song. I can't wait to hear the song.
Don't play with a better voice, you know. I don't normal people stand up on the stage, you know. Okay.
All right. All right, so we won't interrupt you guys anymore. Like, take it away. Can't wait to hear it.
Respect.
And we'll come back and have a chat after.
Bless up, you know.
Ezran Louis Culture say. Check. Don't wreck it. All warriors.
Last one to run, first to defend.
You hear that?
A menace to some. To me, he was a friend.
I'm a booster.
Never wanting up anymore than the agreement.
Why?
Born and raised as a soldier, just word of justice, yes. Coming straight from the lineage of King David.
You see?
He was a hero. To some, he was their sorrow.
Why?
Where do the warriors go? In the end, there's a place where the streets are paved with gold.
See that?
Milk and honey flowing from the fountains. Then there were warriors ever.
I'm from a small and not grow is a thing me want to know.
Where do the warriors go? In the end, is there a place where a man born to defend readily give his life for a friend? Is there a warrior's heaven?
Why? There must be a place for the warriors who broke down the barriers to rest their souls. Must be a place that is warm for the buffalo soldiers coming in from the cold. Must be a place for the brave and the bold where the unsung hero stories are told. Must be a place where the truth unfold, where the pillars roll. I read about it from the ancient scroll. Well, down in the slum we live where politics steer. The people of the higher society don't care, while the rapers and the killers of the people them scare. Your justice declare and the place get repair. For all of them the good things me see you make happen. It hurt me to see your body lay down in a coffin, but all when your bones them rotten. You're gone, but you're never forgotten.
Though society offers no badge of honor, no medal of courage,
none at all.
They say that you are a bad man, but oh, as for me, 1,000 guns salute to a true warrior.
See that?
Somebody tell me, where do the warriors go? In the end, yes. Is there a place yes. Is there a place
Marcus
where
Garvey.
a man born to defend readily give his life for a friend? Is there a warrior's heaven?
Boy.
This goes out there to all the warriors that have gone.
Nani.
So far gone away.
Marcus Garvey. His Imperial Majesty.
Oh, I just want to know.
Bob Marley.
I just want to
Read
know
that
now.